Los Angeles retaining wall cracking or leaning after rain? Keep people below it, photograph drainage and movement, and do not start patching before the cause is evaluated. If blocks are falling, soil is moving, utilities are exposed, or the wall threatens a home, sidewalk, or occupied area, leave the hazard zone and follow fire department or LADBS instructions. Do not stand downhill, climb the slope, or brace the wall yourself. From stable ground, take wide photos from both ends and close photos with a ruler held safely near, not inside, the crack. Record bulging, rotation, new gaps, tilted fences, clogged drains, saturated soil, and water crossing onto neighboring property. Paint or mortar can hide a symptom without addressing sliding, overturning, drainage pressure, or slope movement. Ask the evaluator to identify whether the issue is cosmetic masonry, a retaining wall structural problem, or part of a broader slope failure. Los Angeles requires separate plan check or permits for retaining walls and expects plans to show surface drains, subsurface drains, backfill slope, and structural details. That makes drainage evidence part of the provider decision, not an afterthought. For slope failure repairs, LADBS says owners may need licensed geotechnical, engineering geology, and materials testing consultants before a licensed contractor begins physical work. Ask who will design, permit, inspect, and maintain the drainage or mitigation system. To locate a retaining wall or slope service provider, call 877-320-4994. Again, that is 877-320-4994. This service connects callers with independent local providers. Availability varies by location.